Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will be teaching you on how to delete your channel on YouTube. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser, okay, and then type out studio.youtube.com. Okay? Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can just type out this one. Then make sure that your browser, if you are using a mobile phone, it is in desktop site. Okay, and then you can see this format here. So if you're not sure if what channel are you going to delete, make sure to choose the right account. Okay, so you don't have to regret deleting a channel. So the first thing, so now you can just zoom in and look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, this one, and then zoom out and tap on channel. And then tap on advanced settings. Okay, then scroll down all the way through the bottom to see the remove YouTube content. And then tap on it if you can see it. Okay, so here just tap on the arrow that facing downward, which is the I want to permanently delete my content. So before you can delete your YouTube channel, these are the warnings or the the things that will be gone if you're gonna delete your YouTube channel. So all you need to do here is to tap on the box icon to verify, and then after that just tap on delete my content. Okay, and here you can now type out your password. Okay, and then after that just tap on delete my content, and that's it. Now your channel will be deleted after you tap that section. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.